I'm Tom Evans, and this is That Stuff Abroad. Welcome to Magical Tropical Splash. Yes, it's me again, doing yet another tour video. So this is our lovely resort, as you can see here. Resort plan. Shows you a few bits and pieces. I've got a special themed restaurant there, but you have to have VIP to go there. So, main reception is just in here. Reception area there. One of many bars. This one's 12 till midnight. The mini shop. Not mentioned there at all. And this is where our apartment is. So you can wait for these elevators, or you can take the stairs. Let's take the stair route. Oh, did I mention we're on floor 20? Only another 18 to go. Let's speed this up. Boom, we're halfway there. You've got your lovely views as per usual of Spanish hotels everywhere. More Spanish hotels. Some lovely water slides. And of course my favourite, rocks. Rocks. Yes, lovely mountains of rocks. Finally, floor number 20. Oh, should have just took the lift. Right, let's take the lift this time. As you can see, a small, janky little lift. So it's kind of hard to get several pushchairs, suitcases and everything in there. And yeah, definitely when there is 22 levels here, this makes it 10 times quicker and easier. Right, let's check out our room, 377. As you come into your apartment, you have, straight here, a nice little kitchen, fridge, freezer and everything. If you're all-inclusive, you don't really need to use it, of course. Have a nice little bathroom. These are definitely unique. €50, if you get the reference. Mirror there. Coming into your lounge area. In here is one of the many bedrooms, as you can see. Go around more. Another bedroom in here. Around here, you've got one of two balconies. So there's your balcony out here. And then your last room, super bedroom with another mirror. Got loads of luxurious cupboard space. Another lovely view Out here, with a little ensuite bathroom. So yeah, plenty of space for your family, that's for sure. Oh, and as I said, a balcony of 1 of 2. Here is second balcony with your view of the pool. Right, let's go look around the pool. Snack bar is down there. Bar over there. Toilets this way. In case you need a slash, men, ladies. Damn those hiccups. You'll notice there's a bit of a sun trap. So, sun hits here, there, and everywhere. A few of the slides in the main area. Sun lounging and nighttime entertainment area. A little fun park. An area that just seems to not be open for children during all hours of the day. Children's area with a children entertainment just over there.
Lo siento, el espectáculo está a punto de empezar.
Please take a seat. The show is about to begin.
Esperemos que disfruten de nuestro espectáculo.
We hope you enjoy your show.
Bienvenidos a
Welcome
The nighttime
to
entertainment.
Hollywood.
reservoir.